honey. You're my friends, baby. It's like reminiscing 1976. Alam mo, when I was hosting the 70s program, palagi ko minimension eh. But sayang din natin po nga, God paid for day, June 27, 1978, just 2 months after our graduation, ayun na, munti ka po kinuha. Kaya from that day on, naging Christian. Oo, very close na to Jesus. Kaya, in fact, thank you Lord for bringing back my true friends. Katulad, alam mo, minsan mabuti, it's not really negativism yung nangyari sa typhoon on. Kasi imagine, dahil doon, and of course, thank you Lord, tsaka Facebook. Kasi dahil dyan, nakita-kita.
Facebook.
Oo, imagine.
Hi, Mama!
Hi, Jenny! Hi, Mama! Di ba yung number? Ano mo? Yung mo?
Ay, it's Gerard's. Yun ang ko, Gerard's Speed. Gosh, pasensya na pala. Look at me. Parang kung galing sa Pangasinan Relief.
Wait. Pinabibigyan mo.
What? Uy, ano yun?
It's a little now from us.
I thought there's a brand new artist outside. Hindi, gano'n lang ang pilis. Ba't pa kayo nagkaparawag na ito?
Ako na now.
Naku, nakakahiya naman to express myself. I'm so happy. Kasi imagine, I was telling my daughter, sayang wala sa Tiktudim, you should meet my friend. Sabi ko, time stopped from 1978, hindi nagbago yun. Totoo nga, look at you now. Yan pa rin mga itsura nila back in 1978.
Oh, you say hello to US Bats, Gerard. Say hello to US Bats.
Hi, you are friends in the United States. Hi there. Welcome, I'm Gerard Dambora. Back in 1978, you still recall me. I know, I'm really sorry about the site division. It's practically a mess. But one positive thing about the typhoon, the ill-fated day of September 25, it bonded us closer. My friends, Jen, and all of you. God, this is not really happening, and God bless you all to my friends back there in the States. Honestly, I'm so happy with this day. It's beautiful. Alam mo, I've practically been into so many stages in my life. Ilang beses na akong mamatay, honey. Alam mo, siguro hindi lang 507 times eh. Ayan yung accident. Oh, yung totoo yun. Kaya sabi nyo, pasama pa ulit. Tapos, ayan na yung muntik akong pinatay nung araw ng college kasi nabot ko si President Marcos, yung Presidential Guard in 1982. Tapos, my girlfriend was murdered in 1984. So many things. Napakadami. In fact, 10 years is not enough to recount all the things that happened in my life. But the best part of it, nandiyan ko yun, my friends. I'm so happy. Kaya nga, imagine.